Now, things are about to get wilder than David Attenborough at a Freshers' phone party because it's time
That is wild.
for your filthy animal.
Right, over the last few weeks, we've been asking you to get in touch with your most exotic animals. Last Monday, we had zoologist Mark Amy and his alligator snapping turtle. Here's a little clip.
Only water. What do you mean? It's only water, it lives in water, it's absolutely fine.
AJ, he
Go for
hates
the
you
rain.
right now.
Where you go?
Oh my God!
Imagine if that was your finger in there. There we go.
Wow.
There we go, pretty
Oh
exotic. But this week, we're joined by an equally cheeky chap and his amazing animal. It's Zach Owens.
Hello, Zach.
Hey, Zach. Welcome to Trending Live.
Hello, Zach. Zach, tell us who you are, who you brought along with you today.
I'm Zach, and this is Rhea, the albino Burmese python.
Oh, she's
This
lovely.
is Rhea. Now, I've got to be honest, Zach, at this point, I am a little bit frightened of snakes. However, we did get to hang out a little bit
Yeah,
with Rhea
we
earlier
did.
on, and she is beautiful.
She's a babe, isn't she?
She's lovely.
She is.
So lovely. So I'm warming to her a little bit, and,
Yeah.
and I like how inquisitive she seems to be with her little tongue there as
Yeah,
well. I think
smelling
that's
around.
quite cute.
She's very, very
I never
sweet.
thought I'd find a snake
know,
cute, but
I
I'm
know.
finding it cute,
She's-
especially not an 11-foot one.
11-foot snake.
Yeah, she's pretty
Crazy.
massive and heavy too.
Yeah, I bet. She is one of the largest, one of 5 largest snakes in the world, am I right?
Absolutely, yes.
That is crazy. So how big can she grow?
Yeah.
So females have the potential to get up to kind of 18, 19 foot, and males get up to normally around 60, and that's averages. But yeah, the females tend to be a lot larger and more girth.
Well, we've got a big one on
at this
screen
one.
right now.
Hands on it.
Is that the same breed of?
So this one's actually a wild type. You can see
Okay.
because of the coloration.
Yeah.
So obviously
Okay.
in the wild they can blend in with their environment. They're a
Yeah.
lot safer like that. She would have trouble blending in. There are albinos in the wild, but obviously she sticks out like a sore thumb. So it's going to be a lot harder for her to hide in the trees, and so she wouldn't last as
Okay,
well.
so
But they still can live a good
Yeah.
old life in the wild.
All the other snakes are going to
Wow.
be jealous because
Yeah,
she
of
just
course
looks
they
Yeah,
are.
absolutely.
fire.
Look at her,
Yeah.
she's a star.
Yeah.
Paint job, yeah.
I love
She looks
it.
very shiny as well. Can I?
She does look
Can I
shiny.
touch her?
Of course you can, absolutely.
Jimmy.
Okay,
Go on.
Just
I
from
wanna-
head to tail.
Okay,
Just follow
I'm gonna
the.
Stay away from the head.
Yeah.
Oh.
There you go. Nice and
so
soft.
What does she feel like?
So soft.
Wow.
It's like dry, leathery, warm. Yeah,
Yeah.
not kind of wet and slimy. There's no residue there at all. She is dry. It's, yeah, like soft leather.
Yeah.
Oh
She
my
looks like one of those
word.
neck braces around you. Like, you know, like you're ready to take off on a flight.
Yeah, she's giving me a massage at the moment, so
Like
it's quite
it.
comfortable actually.
Yeah, cool.
So have you had her since she was tiny, Zach?
Yeah, 3 months old. She was only about this big. She wrapped around my friend's wrist, and it looked like a kind of snake watch, but she wouldn't be able to do that now. So they grow very, very quickly. In the first 2 years, they can get up to 10 foot, because obviously in the wild, when they're very small, they're very vulnerable. When they're young, they kind of climb in the trees,
Yeah.
and then as they get really big, they're ground dwellers, and so they have to get big so they don't get attacked by things, and they're not very vulnerable.
Yeah.
But yeah, she's pretty big, pretty powerful, and she's only about half grown, really.
Where do you keep her at? Because obviously she's massive.
Yeah, she's in a big Vivarium, big wooden thing with a heat, and it's 8 foot by 4 foot. She's got a lot of space, but you'll find even if I gave her the whole front room,
Yeah.
you'll find that they'll coil up in one spot wherever the heat is, and they actually like being in confined spaces. In the wild, you find them. I mean, these guys are native to kind of Southeast Asia and like jungles and grassy kind of marshlands, but they can cram themselves into rocks and stuff because they feel safe. You know, if all their body's touching something, they feel safe. Whereas if they're open in the wild, obviously there's more chances for things to see them and
Yeah.
get at them, basically. So.
Absolutely. I'm so intrigued, but I can't take my eyes off her.
Stunning, isn't she? I said this earlier, she looks like fondant. You know, like
fondant?
fondant icing.
Well, you can't eat her,
No, I
Daisy,
can't
okay?
eat her. I
You
can't
absolutely
eat her.
can't. But what I'm thinking, I'm getting Britney vibes.
I am
you know
getting
that
Britney
iconic
vibes as
moment.
well. I'm kind of
Daisy,
getting the
you've
sweaty
always fancied
palms.
yourself as Britney.
I
I
have
think
always
you should
fancied myself as
hold,
Britney.
Rhea.
Zach, do you mind if I hold your snake?
Not at all. Not
Let's
at all.
swap places. Come on, Zach, you get in there.
Come on, Zach. Do you want me sitting?
Yeah, you can sit.
Sit down. Oh, she's
Oh my
very
word.
nice.
How are you
I'll put this
feeling,
down here.
Daisy?
Do you know what? I'm feeling that this is a moment in my life where, oh, she's heavy.
Yeah, she's pretty chunky.
This is a moment in my life where I'm never going to get again. You know,
Wow.
she is so heavy.
You
can't even tell
look
you.
incredible.
Do I look like
right
Britney?
now. You look straight out
Yeah?
of Vegas or something.
Straight out of
You know
Vegas.
what I mean?
She's very, it's all muscle, you know?
So
That's
what are you
you're
feeling right now? Does she feel tight around your neck?
She's not tight. But she's
Just let her sit there. She'll choose.
she's
where to go.
comfortable, you know?
She seems comfortable. Well, she seems happy enough. Daisy, I've got to say,
chilling, you know?
you're braver than me. I'm
Yeah,
glad
doing
that I
very well.
managed to touch her, but I don't think I could do a hold. I don't think I could do it. So we'll swap back. Zach, you come and
Zach.
sit back down here
I'll give you back your snake. But it was wonderful.
before Daisy has a nibble, thinking it's
I
fondant.
know. She does look like fondant though, don't she? I'd love to ice
Size
a
of it,
cake.
I just can't get over the size of her, but she is
Sheer size.
absolutely beautiful.
Incredible. Thank you so much, Zach. For
Zach,
being on.
Always
thank
a
you for
pleasure.
coming in.
No worries.
Thank you
It's
for
all good.
introducing us to Rhea.
Yeah.
Give it up for Zach and
Thanks,
Rhea.
Zach.
everybody.
Thank you. Cheers,
An
guys.
11-foot python in the studio. Wow.